Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're going to look at the JBL Flip 6 versus the JBL Flip 5 to see which one have a better audio. I had the JBL Flip 5 over 2 years. I have to say there is a big difference in the audio with both of the speakers, and I really like both of the speakers. So we're going to test out quite a lot of things today. So we're going to try out to see if a JBL Flip 6 connect button, the party boost function actually work with the older speakers, and we're going to test out the bass on both of the speakers. Let me go through the spec very quickly for both of the speakers. First, we're going to look at the JBL Flip 6. So it's around 100 pounds, come in quite a lot of colors. You have red, blue, camo, pink, black, and you have like brown as well. At the moment the black one is available, so if you go to the JBL website you're going to find the black JBL model. I think in the next week they will have all the other colors will be available. Come with the 12 hours of battery, IP67, water and dust proof. It does come with the party boost, so you can connect multiple JBL speakers together. It is supported by the JBL app, so you can actually play around with the audio. You can connect the speaker with multiple devices at the same time. So if you have a phone and a laptop, you can connect both of them to the speaker. 30 watts of audio output, so massive improvement on the audio output. On the Flip 5 only have 20 watts of audio output, so quite supported by Bluetooth 5.1. They made a big difference on how the speaker look and feel, and also they made the speaker slightly heavier compared to the older speakers. The placement of buttons, controls are pretty much exactly the same place. Massive JBL logo on the front, and both sides you have the play button, play logo on the both sides. Also you get a slight small stand on the back, so you can actually leave the speaker properly so it wouldn't move around. On the Flip 6 you don't get that. Only option is like the side of the bars. So I really like the speaker. Come with the USB-C for charging, so quite good overall. So it's very identical speaker, yet it looked very different and very stylish compared to the JBL Flip 5 or the JBL Flip 4. So now we're going to look at the JBL Flip 5. So it's around 90 pounds, so it will go down because of the new speaker came out. So check the link below for the updated price. 11 different colors, so you have quite a lot of colors on the Flip 5. Black, blue, gray, pink, yellow, camo, quite a lot of colors you can pick and choose. You don't get the same exact color choice on the Flip 6 though. 12 hour of playtime, pretty much exactly the same as the Flip 6, so both of the speakers have the same playtime. Audio output up 20 watts, so slightly lower than the Flip 6. Supported by Bluetooth 4.2, so slightly older Bluetooth version, where on the Flip 6 you get Bluetooth 5.1. IP7 on the Flip 6 is going to be IP67. Water and dust proof. Flip 6 come with a lot of features that's going to make a huge difference in the audio. So after I listened to the Flip 6, I really want to test both of these out to see which one have a better audio. So now we're going to try them out. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Testify the motion, loving this devotion. Give it up, give it up, give it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, this bad time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion, loving this devotion. Give it up, give it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, this bad time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion,
Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion. Love it, it's the potion. Give it up, give it up, give it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time. Taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights. I've got to run this show. You always take me so high. You always make the highlights. I like the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion. Love it, it's the potion. Give it up, give it up, give it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time. Taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights. I've got to run this show. You always take me so high. You always make the highlights. I like the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. I should've stayed with you last night instead of going out to find trouble. That's just trouble. I think I run away sometimes whenever I get too vulnerable. That's not your fault. See, I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. Oh, heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. I should've stayed with you last night instead of going out to find trouble. That's just trouble. I think I run away sometimes whenever I get too vulnerable. That's not your fault. See, I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. Oh, heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Say, what's the matter? What's the matter with me? What's the matter with me? Oh, I wish that I could let you love. She ain't got my smile, that don't bother me a bit. Got somebody else's eyes, I'm seeing myself in. I'm holding on every moment, God knows I missed a few. The day we met, I knew I'd had some catching up to do. She ain't my blood, ain't got my name, but if she did, I feel the same. I wasn't there for her first steps, but I ain't missed a ball game yet, and that ain't never gonna change. I can never walk away. She ain't got my smile, that don't bother me a bit. Got somebody else's eyes, I'm seeing myself in. I'm holding on every moment, God knows I missed a few. The day we met, I knew I'd had some catching up to do. She ain't my blood, ain't got my name, but if she did, I feel the same. I wasn't there for her first steps, but I ain't missed a ball game yet, and that ain't never gonna change. I can never walk away. She ain't got my smile, that don't bother me a bit. Got somebody else's eyes, I'm seeing myself in. I'm holding on every moment, God knows I missed a few. The day we met, I knew I'd had some catching up to do. She ain't my blood, ain't got my name, but if she did, I feel the same. I wasn't there for her first steps, but I ain't missed a ball game yet, and that ain't never gonna change. I can never walk away. She ain't got my smile, that don't bother me a bit. Got somebody else's eyes, I'm seeing myself in. I'm holding on every moment, God knows I missed a few. The day we met, I knew I'd had some catching up to do. She ain't my blood, ain't got my name, but if she did, I feel the same. I wasn't there for her first steps, but I ain't missed a ball game yet, and that ain't never gonna change. I can never walk away.
I tried both of the speakers with different type of songs, so I can understand like which one have a better audio. So there is a big difference with the audio quality with both of the speakers. The JBL Flip 5 have a really good audio, really good bass, no delays, no distortion, but there is no EQ app. On the Flip 6 is a very different story. First of all, the speaker is really loud. Second, the EQ app make a huge difference on the audio. You can just open the EQ app and go and add bass. You can reduce bass, mids, quite a good audio, much more clearer bass than the Flip 5. Not only that, the bass is much more deeper. There is a big difference in the audio quality. So when you come to the audio alone, I will go with the Flip 6 over the Flip 5. Again, £100 and £90. So I will spend the extra £10 to get the JBL Flip 6, where you will get extra 10 watts audio output. Then you get an EQ app that you can actually play around. There is a few things I was slightly disappointed on the Flip 6. It was the battery life, because they still kept both of the speakers to be a 12 hours of playtime. I was expecting a bit more than a 12 hours, It's like 15 hours to put a media perfect. Both of the speakers have the party mode, so I wasn't expecting the Flip 6 to be working with the Flip 5. When I turn on the party mode, I can actually connect the Flip 5. You should be able to see both of the speakers being tested with the party mode on. I used both of the speakers in the party mode. I connect both of the speakers together, and to play those songs, it was really good. One thing I couldn't do with both of the speakers together, it was the stereo audio. For a stereo audio, I need to have two JBL Flip 6 to get stereo audio. I can't connect the Flip 5 and the Flip 6 for a stereo audio. In my opinion, JBL Flip 6 have the best audio comparing with the JBL Flip 5. So if you're looking for a speaker with really good bass, and if you need the EQ and really loud audio and very natural audio, I will highly recommend going with the JBL Flip 6 over the JBL Flip 5. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.